Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply enable text chat in Modern Warfare 2020. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in your game, then just click here options, and then just click here general, and scroll down below, and you're gonna see here text chat, and you want to have it enabled. Also, if you're from the controller, so it's V for writing, or enter for writing. That's like the first thing. And then in PlayStation 4 is the options, then touchpad, and that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But yeah, that's probably it. So goodbye.